Okay, so my cleanse is still going. I went off a little bit. I was, had full meals there a couple of days, but I'm kind of back to it. It's springtime here in Florida. We get a very early spring. Everything's starting to bloom. It's really nice. And springtime to me, it's like a new beginning. And you just get that urge, to detoxify. So that's what I've been doing. I'm still detoxing, and I've got my old trusty OJ. The best drink on the planet, in my opinion anyway. But so detoxing, I'm only having OJ, watermelon. That's it. OJ and watermelon. For days, I'll just do that. Now, I get plenty of calories because I'm drinking, and of course, I eat the pulp. Remember, you don't want just the juice. Although you're getting some of the pulp in the juice, like my machine, the pulp gets trapped in that basket. I always eat the pulp. You want that for the best assimilation, for the best energy, and it's going to burn so much better in your system. You don't want like just a spike of sugar. You want the fiber also. That's going to help. So, yeah, just 2 simple foods. Why is that so good for detoxing? Because you're putting less strain on your digestive tract, your elimination cycle. It's very easy. So then your body has energy to detoxify. So I've been, doing about a gallon of OJ and then maybe another 600 calories to 800 calories of watermelon a day, and a gallon of OJ with the the pulp and everything. You're talking about 1,800 calories maybe. And the watermelon, so I'm up to what, 24 to 2,600 calories a day, which sustains me. I can still function. I can still do my job. I can do a few tennis lessons. I can even work out, but I'm not going to go real hard. Only when I go back to regular eating, where I'm eating that big salad at night, I'm on my bananas. And the banana, I may eat 10 bananas in a day, up to 15. So, the bananas are great. I mean, they're also the best staple on the planet if you're on a fruitarian diet. But for detoxing, they're not optimum because they burn a little slower. They're a real sweet fruit, but there's more to deal with. Let me put it that way. Okay, so with bananas, I'll go back to them soon, but right now it's just the OJ and the watermelon. Great for really cleaning house. So I just wanted to update you on that, and it's probably not springtime yet where you are, unless you're in like a subtropical area where I am. So start to think about cleaning house, doing that spring detox, okay? And load up on the oranges, the watermelon. I'm really looking forward to the watermelon here in Florida is coming next month. Beginning of April, we start to get those fresh watermelons. Oh man, they're grown right near my house here, and I just go out to that farm. You've seen me out there, and I'll get the football size, the watermelons like this with the black seeds. So sweet and juicy. Oh man, it's one of my favorite times of the year, April, here in Florida. So anyway, I hope we can help. I hope I can help you detox. And any advice you need, any questions you have, please let me know. I'll help you to the best of my ability. And And like I say, sometimes detox issues can be a little hairy. You know, they're not that easy to get through, but I'm here to help you. It's not that difficult. You can slow down detox by eating, you know, you can slowly start eating other foods, and that slows it down. So, all the best, guys, to your health success. Take care.